I want to talk to you today about probiotics because there's lots of different probiotics on the market today. There's lots of great advertising around probiotics, and it's true that probiotics are extremely beneficial to our health, but because there's so many on the market, their labels all look very different. There's huge price points out there. There's actually a huge differential in terms of effectiveness of probiotics. So there's two major considerations you want to be thinking about when you purchase probiotics. One is you want to know who the manufacturer of that probiotic is. So my bias is that I prefer to work with professional brands. So with professional brands, what they're doing is they're doing third-party testing. So they have a company come in that's separate from their own, that makes sure that what is on the label is what's actually in the product, and that can make a huge difference in terms of quality and effectiveness. And you want to make sure that it has an MPN number, and so that means that it's regulated by Health Canada. You want to make sure that they're using the highest quality substances in the most bioavailable form, and that there's no extra fillers in that product. And so that's what professional brands typically will show. So that's why my bias is professional brands, because then I know that when I'm recommending a product, that the quality is there and that the effectiveness is there and that I'm going to get the results that I want. The second thing that's important in terms of probiotics is you want to know what the source is. So where did they get these microbes from? And there's a number of different sources that are quite common. One is dairy-based. That's one that's pretty common. That's the one that's really advertised a lot because you'll see it in the yogurt commercials, is that those are the ones that are dairy-based. There's other ones that are vegetable-based and soil-based. And then another place that it can be coming from is human microflora. So in terms of my bias, I'm not a big fan of dairy-based probiotics. In terms of the soil-based and vegetable-based, I think that those are excellent sources, especially in terms of maintenance. But in terms of building the foundation of the digestive tract, I'm a big fan of human microflora, because then that's something that the body recognizes, can assimilate really well, and really use in terms of building that foundation of the human microflora. That's my take on probiotics. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you'll share this with your friend, press the like button, make a comment below, and until next time, continue to learn, grow, and build health.